Tiny sparks in every cell, silent cities in my skin, highways of a rushing river, bones like scaffolds holding in, heartbeat drum inside my chest, lungs draw oceans, slow and steady, hidden gears that spin and turn, always working, always ready. The human body